How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. If you are experiencing sound issues during Messenger video calls, then this video is a cert guide for you. First of all, check volume and mute setting. Ensure your phone's volume is turned up and not muted. Once you check that, the very next step you need to do is simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see all of the applications you have on your device. Among them, choose Messenger application. Once you go to the Messenger application, there you will see microphone option. Make sure that it is toggled on. After checking that, again go back to the settings homepage and check if your problem has been solved or not. If your problem is still not solved, then go to the general option available there and tap on iPhone storage. From there, search for Messenger application. When you go to the Messenger application, you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. Among them, choose offload app and reinstall your application again and your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.